Welcome to the Food Balance Game. Plan a healthy day of meals and snacks using food from the 5 food groups.
Firstly, looking at the chosen Web 2.0 tool interactive website game called Food Balance, located on the Eat for Healthy government website, we can see that this is targeted at learners of the 21st century. Prensky 2001 has named these students digital natives as they have been brought up with technology in an ever-growing and changing technological world. As a result of this, it can be said that this ubiquitous environment and the high interaction levels have changed the way in which students of today think and process information.
Connecting food balance with the PDHPE syllabus, we can identify specific subject matter targets this website resource addresses, and linking to nutrition, identify further learning goals for students at stages 2 and 3, including decision-making outcomes concerned with students making informed decisions about individual and group needs. We can then identify throughout the PDHPE curriculum the need for student personal health choices such as nutrition to build healthy eating habits and healthy food choices. This is evident throughout the game using the functional ability to grab and drag a range of available food options into their designated breakfast, lunch, dinner or snack tabs. Students are able to create a record of a balanced diet full of healthy options. The resource also gives students a range of facts relating to their food choices. The food grouper meter at the bottom of the screen indicates the levels of specific groups required for the student. The ability to change and grab and include food options in their choices enables students to gain a perspective on nutrition as they link it to future growth and development throughout school. The resource gives students instant feedback as to how well they have created a range of healthy and balanced food choices through the animation. Another feature of this interactive resource is the inclusion of a report at the end of their turn that reflects what they have included in their choices in relation to the dietary requirements for their age. This enables students to be honest with what they have included in their dietary consumption and analyse whether readjustment in dietary choices are necessary. This then has the ability for teachers to relate this report to other KLAs. Opportunities for teachers to include report writing and daily recounts as part of application for this resource, as well as applying this resource to mathematical applications such as graphing their daily food intake and calculating serve requirements allows teachers to use cross-curriculum applications.
Some research undertaken by Greenfield suggests that game theory, or the interaction of games and students, enhances their visual image reading skills and the skill of rule discovery through observation, trial and error, and hypothesis testing. This game supports students' real-world connections through a modern, interactive game. It enables students the chance to develop and build upon their knowledge and understandings of personal health choices and the consequences for their poor eating decisions. When used in conjunction with the other various interactive aspects on this site as shown here, it can be said that it will help inform and build upon their healthy lifestyle choices as well as developing their understandings surrounding nutrition. Upon examining this digital artifact against the pedagogical lens or quality teaching framework within intellectual quality, we can identify that it is significantly strong in developing deep understanding and meta-language. However, substantive communication is somewhat lacking. Deep understanding refers to the ability for students to reflect upon their results as an individual and as a whole as society, leading to discussions and collaborations, while the meta-language skills as the resource provides specific food group facts as well as a measuring terminology to classify a serving size.
Examining this digital artifact against the pedagogical lens or quality teaching framework within the quality learning environment, we can identify that this is significantly strong in engagement, student self-regulation and direction. This resource's level of engagement links in with students' self-regulation and direction as they are instructed through the steps taken to choose food options with bright and engaging graphics and relatable characters. This connects students to meaningful and relatable content information with strong ties to real-world experiences and syllabus content. The significance of this resource to students relates to the connection of students learning within the school environment to real-life context. An improvement on this resource could be made to include greater understanding and appreciation of cultural knowledge and experiences between different students. Building on this, the focus for Assignment 2 will be significance and the relation of real-world problems whilst utilising multi-literacies connecting to learners of the 21st century.